Hi everybody, my name is Lindsey Sweigart, and I am one of the students in the Education 210 course. A little bit about me. I'm currently in the Early Childhood Elementary Education program at HAC. I'm in the dual program, so after the first 2 years, I'll transfer to another school to do the final 2 years and get my bachelor's degree. And I've been taking classes at HAC since my junior year of high school. It was called dual enrollment, and you could take college classes while you're in high school for a reduced price. So I took around 4 classes, and then I graduated from high school in January of 2020, and then I started doing a few classes at a time for the education program. I did 2 in the spring and 2 in the summer, and then this past fall is when I started full-time as a student doing 4 or more classes, and I'm planning to transfer to Millersville University in the spring of 2022, so in about a year, to pursue my bachelor's degree in the early childhood and special education dual major. A little bit more about me. This past summer, I got engaged, and I'm really looking forward to getting married in May of 2022. I have a job that I work at, and I go to school. I've also been doing a little bit of wedding planning, so I've been staying very busy. This picture is my fiance Drew and I, and we've been together almost 4 years, so we're really excited for our new journey together. As far as work goes, I've had my current job almost 4 years, and I work at a market. And during my time at work, I've met many new people. I've got really close to some other people. I saw a lot of new employees come and some other ones go, just since it's been a long time. So I've been doing that, and I enjoy that. I also tried waitressing for a couple of months last year before the pandemic, but I quickly found out that it wasn't really the job for me. The people were really sweet, and it was definitely something different, but it was just a little stressful for me. I didn't want to mess anything up for anyone. So now I'm just back at Market, and I do have fun working at Market, but I am really excited to eventually work in an elementary school doing what I love and getting to be with kids all day. Here's a picture of some of my hobbies. In the bottom left is Drew and I after we went 4-wheeling through some mud holes. The one on the bottom in the middle is a picture taken in Alaska, and the one on the bottom on the right side is a picture taken in Panama. And then on the top, there's a picture of me playing soccer when I was in high school, and also when Drew and I went fishing one time. Like the picture showed, most of my hobbies are outdoor activities. I also love to explore. I love to go hiking. I love to run. Anything outdoors. I like to play yard games. That's also something that we do outdoors. And the one picture showed me playing soccer, and I played for 13 years. I played from when I was 6 years old until my senior year of high school. And right now I'm not currently doing anything with soccer. But in the future I hope to maybe coach or get back into a league. But for now I'm just taking a little bit of time off since I played it for so long. And traveling in the summer of 2019, I actually got to travel to Panama on a missions trip with my youth group, and also to Alaska with my family. So those were 2 really big events that happened in 2019, and I really got to go out and explore because I hadn't been that many other places before that. And another thing I love to do is spend time with my family. We get together every week. I love to see friends. I have 4 younger cousins that I love to spend time with, and I've also had a lot of fun building close relationships with some of the young girls at church, so I love to stay in touch with them and see what they're up to. Lastly, my family. I love my family very dearly. I'm the youngest daughter in my family. I have 2 older sisters. That's the picture on the left, so we're a family of 5. That was a picture we took at my senior night for soccer last year. And then in May of 2022, I'll be gaining 2 brothers-in-law and 1 sister-in-law. That's on the right. That will be my future in-laws, and that was a picture that we took in the Outer Banks, and they're awesome too. And I just really am looking forward to a great semester with you. I wish you a lot of luck and success this semester. Hopefully we can get to know each other, and thank you for taking time to watch this.